Hello everyone, my name is Patrick and welcome to another episode of Viral Car Videos where we react to viral car videos. That's right. In today's episode we are reacting to Ultimate Driving Fails Compilation 2021 Car Crashes, Idiots, and Cars number 20, and this got 19 million views, so I think we're up for a very good video. So let's go. Oh. Yo. What happened?
Jeff Jarvis. Oh, Jeff used to be the,
okay. Oh, what the shit? Oh, it's getting hot. Oh, sorry, I'm blocking the giant. Dude, I guess based on the title, it's just car crashes, which is not a bad thing, I guess. Okay, well, hopefully no one's hurt in the video. What the hell? Yo, I think that's someone like, someone like running away from the police with a tractor. Holy, let's take that a look. Okay, let's look on the left side here. Okay, skip this one. Let's go on a look on the left. Okay, you see the police there. Oh, that's not. He's driving a truck with a tractor in it. That's a lot of power. Alright, let's see what's happening here. And merge. Just go! Whoa! He just realized it's a slow moving truck. Yeah, the driver's pissed because who wouldn't be? Who wouldn't be? Wow. Jeez. Oh, hope he's okay, but that was... God, you gotta check both ways. Yeah, there's a line for a reason, right? Like, don't pass the line. Losing control. Out of control. Goodbye. Honestly, those ones are my favorite because no one gets hurt, and you can laugh at them without any guilt-free laughs. Guilt-free laughs. Oh my! A lot of those ones, just people running lights for some reason. Okay, what's happening here? Oh my. Jesus. Did he lose control? Why did he go on the other lane? We'll never know. We'll never know. Whose fault is it there? Because both cars, it's a yellow light, it's snow. The guy's already turning. He's trying to stop. No, he's trying to go. I think it's both people's fault, honestly. Like, yeah, he started to turn to left because he saw the speed of the guy coming in. You gotta be aware of that, especially in the snow. He really wants to go. He wanted to. He really wanted to be in front of that car. Like. It's like, it was imperative for him to be. Okay. Oh. What are you guys doing? Oh, that's just brutal to watch. That's just... Okay, I'm guessing someone's gonna run through the light. It's a red light. He just runs through. But the red car is going really fast, but it's not his fault. It's like the truck. I don't know why the truck ran it, but like, looks like everyone's good. So, oh, that impact. No, what are you... What is he doing?
Oh, my history. That was
I got. Oh no, truck! Don't! Stop! Stop! At least go straight. What are you doing? Why did you turn right? Oh, bye bye. Like, I don't know why he right turned. Like, he was already past the gate, so you gotta go. But why didn't you go straight? Why did you turn right? Why did you turn right? Oh. Was he right? Oh, yeah. It's on the guy turning for those ones. Wow. That's just... I don't know what happened there, but it seems like... Usually for those... Oh. Alright. Oh, highways are just always so sketchy.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Just old people, like fucking old people, man. And like the worst thing is like, he's putting his dog in danger. The dog's so cute. Who cares about him? He's an old guy. People get over him, but the dog, like I can't believe he got through though. Good for him, I guess. Like, okay. Ooh. The truck ones are so dangerous for me. They look so dangerous. Meh. Let's see. Oh. Yeah. Check before you turn. What? Oh, wow. Interesting. Like, I think the highway ones are the most dangerous for me because they're going at such a fast speed. So, like, okay, on the bridge. So, what's he trying to do? He's going straight. Nothing's happening so far. What are you doing? What is he doing? Okay, he's letting him in. Hydroplaning. Ooh. Big oops. He had such a long time to turn left too. He honked him like, and why was he such a slow left turn? Like he was like literally taking such a long turn. There's a yellow light right now. Oh my. So one guy wanted to stop, and one guy just said, "Fuck you." Okay. Whoa. Interesting. I'm not sure what happened there. There's... yeah. Just look at the traffic signs. Stop signs are there for a reason. What the hell? Is she trying to run away? What is she doing? Stop her. At least they have the license plate. Like, is she trying to just drive off? Like, that's why, like, these cameras are so necessary, because people do stupid shit like that and run away, and you're screwed for the insurance unless you have those cameras to find them, right? No loop video. These turn, like, those are just brutal to watch. Like, I like the sound effects of the people watching. Sometimes it's always like gives that added effect to it. Like, oh, is that just the? What's happening there? Oh no! It doesn't seem like the wind that did that. Well, what could have done that? Oh! That was. Oh, a little bump. He dodged a bullet, but like. Ugh. Ooh. Why is he going so fast at the red light? Wait, was it red light? Sorry about that. Alright, let's see. It was just about to turn, and then he just decided to run the red light when someone's turning already. Like, just. Okay. That's like the other one was like at least it's close, but that one he just ran it like 5 seconds after the light turn. Like, that's just brutal to watch. But so fun. I like the slow collisions because I know for sure that no one got hurt. Okay, what's happening here? Oh, whoa. Oh my god, it looks like from a movie. Okay. Oh my god. Indeed, like, you gotta watch this, you gotta watch traffic when you're driving. Like, what kind of guy does that? Like, what kind of idiot does that? These are getting me mad. I'm getting like high blood pressure from watching these. Ooh. Okay, then we can see the truck stuff over there. Is someone gonna hit it from the back? Yeah. Knew it. Unattentive drivers. And you can see the truck is... You can see it from far ahead. The truck is stuck. And not moving, but... No, don't. Oh. Okay, turn left. What hit him? Like, especially in the snow too. Like, people can't slow down in the snow like that. Like, oop, a little bump. So many of these on like I see like this video has a lot of those like highway back bumps and when there's like a sudden phantom stop or whenever there's a stop in the highway. People are too focused on going fast instead of focused on being safe. That should be like a sticker. Don't go!
Oh my god!
Okay, what's happening here? Highway, is it gonna be a bump again? Or someone losing control? Oh. Oh, this is going to... I'm just not impressed by these drivers. Okay, I think he's gonna lose control. It looks like he's losing control. Maybe he fell asleep on the wheel. What is he doing? Maybe the driver is. Oh, because I didn't see anything that really. Yeah, I think maybe the driver is on like has a stroke.
On drugs.
Or on drugs. also a valid guess. I'm personally thinking he's sick or like he got a stroke or something like that. Ooh. Little shove, little side shove. Oh, the pedestrian. Baby, like you might think that one was not too bad because like only the car was damaged, but trees are hella expensive, especially in Canada. If you like tear down a tree without like the proper permits, you'll be fined like maybe like $10,000 a year of the life of the tree. Like you can be down hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars if you tear down the wrong tree for the wrong reasons. Little tidbit for Canada, eh? What is he doing? Okay, like that was fine, I guess. Not very smart. I understand the need to want to go in front of trucks because just it's kind of like I don't like driving behind or next to a truck, but you gotta do it safely. All right. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. This video was quite interesting. A lot of highway accidents, a lot of tailgating. Well, not tailgating, but like just unattentive drivers. I guess most accidents are because of unattentive drivers. Well, if you liked the video, please give us a like and thumbs up, and see you guys next time. Have a great day.